Hi everyone, I am Papa Troy. Happy to be back. This morning I am going to Hòn Bà Waterfall. Actually, a few ways from here up there, but I want to ride along these roads because they are new, beautiful and wide. Now I am riding along to Tô Hill Street. This is the road to go outside city. Now it is at 8:30 a.m. And today the weather is also nice. I hope the weather will be nice at the Hòn Bà too. Now I stop because of the red light. You can see in front of me a lot of motorbikes up and down and many shops around here. This road is busier after 5 p.m. when the workers go home from the office. And this road is the main one to connect to Dallas City. You know how many kilometers from here up to Dallas? Around 140 kilometers. If you go by motorbikes or by cars, it takes around 4 or 5 hours. So on weekends, Dallas people going down to Nha Trang to travel a lot and the country. This road is new and wide with name Võ Nguyên Giáp. It was finished building more than 7 years ago. And this is the biggest road in Nha Trang City. Now we turn right. How to go to Hòn Bà Waterfall. And now it is traffic light. We stop here. We wait. And it is the direction board. You can see. Yeah. If you keep the street, you will go to Ho Chi Minh City or the Saigon. Now, turn right. How to go to Hòn Bà Waterfall? Okay? Yeah, let's go. And now we turn right. Okay, you can see. And here also another place. Yeah, like this. Okay, like this. Thank you. Keep going. Keep going. Now I am at the Tu Sương Market. It is up to Hòn Bà Waterfall. I want to buy something before coming to Hòn Bà Waterfall. Okay, you follow me please. Okay. Oh. Yeah. And I want to buy fruit. Here đây, this is the mango stick.
Cái này một ký bao nhiêu chị? Mangosteen 1 kilo is 50,000 Vietnam dollars and around 2 American dollar. And you know what is it? It is Rambutan. Rambutan 1 kilo is 40,000 Vietnam dollars. Is around 2 American dollar. And it is apple. Guava, very big, right? And watermelon. So now I want to buy 1 kilo of rambutan for waterfall. Rồi chị lấy cho em 1 ký gì? Takes 10 minutes. Come there. This is a new road, just upgrading. And along to the road, many gardens of local residents. What are you hearing? Cicada are they singing. Now I am here, I am a bit cold and comfortable. Now at Nha Trang is hot, especially summer times. Local people come here a lot to go camping, to go trekking, to go picnic by day and overnight. From here down to Nha Trang city, it takes around 30 minutes by vehicles, by motorbikes or by cars. Anyone, if you have an opportunity to travel to Nha Trang, you should come to Hòn Bà. I think it is interesting for you to enjoy. You can swim in the waterfall, but from Nha Trang city you can rent motorbikes or you can buy the tour from travel agent. Before coming here, you remember to bring something to enjoy for lunch, or you can buy some tropical fruits like rambutan, banana, watermelon, or you can buy Vietnamese bread with the sausage. Enjoy for lunch, and until 2 or 3 p.m. you will be back, because at the moment here in the afternoon it often rains. Now I am thinking, why someone tells here Hòn Bà? You know Hòn in English, promontory, Bà, lady. Normally promontory for men, not for ladies, right? It is the story. It said that the stone has in the shape of a lady. So later, anyone say it. The promontory of lady in Vietnamese means Hòn Bà. Okay. Wow. Fantastic. Right? It feels quiet here. When are you stressful in the city? You want to find a place peaceful to relax. You should come here, right? You can see along to the road many tropical trees. They are grown by local farmers here, especially local farmers grow banana trees. Normally, one season of banana trees around 6 months, and local farmer every day they come here to take care of their own gardens, and in the afternoon 5 p.m. they go home. Maybe if banana tree have a fruit, they can stay overnight here to take care of them, protect from robbers. It is amazing road. And over there is the lake, supply water for local resident rice paddies and gardens. And banana trees and the mango trees, many kind of fruits. Banana trees, yeah, with the small size. Now at the moment the road start rough, not smooth anymore. but it's okay. Also easy for us to ride. I think Hòn Bà is one of the unforgettable destination for tourists. From noisy and busy cities in Nha Trang, if you want to find something relaxed, peaceful, you should come here. It is amazing scene for you. Easy for you to do it. During your time, your stay in Nha Trang, you can rent a motorbike, or you can contact me, right? I can help you any service. Everyone, the top of Hòn Bà mountain has 1,500 heights. Hòn Bà mountain we regard as second Dalat. Why? Because when we come here, this area is cool, a bit cold. The atmosphere is comfortable, like Dalat. So that's why it is said that the top of Hòn Bà is second Dalat belong to Nha Trang city. As you can see, yeah, mango trees. It is lovely scenery. The pass here either not big, so my motorbike going up slowly and slowly. And here one of the tourist point out. Oh, I see in front of me two foreigner tourists. They also going to Hòn Bà. Okay, so lovely. You go this way, follow me, right? Follow me, my friend. Yeah, follow me. I show you how to come there. Okay. Thái